Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi, and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern, and this is a reverse rectangle triangle pattern and also a column wise pattern, because in each columns numbers are constantly repeated. Like in first column 1 are constantly repeated, in second column 0 are constantly repeated, but in each columns 1 and 0 are constantly repeated in an alternative way. Means first time 1 are constantly repeated, in second column 0 are constantly repeated, in third column 1 are constantly repeated, and so on. So we used nested for loop to understand this pattern. So before creating the nested for loop, firstly we declare two variables that are used for nested for loop. So we declare I and j variable that are used for nested for loop, and after creating a declaration of I and j variable that are used for nested for loop, we create outer for loop. And in this outer for loop we take three parameters. Firstly, we initialize I equals to 5 and check condition if I greater than equals to 1, and I decrement to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameters. Firstly, we initialize j equals to 1, then check condition if j less than equals to I, and j increment to 1. And inside this inner for loop, we print j mod 2, because we have a column wise pattern. So we always point the inner loop variable that is j, and in this pattern we used the logic j mod 2 and modulo operator always return reminder. And outside this inner for loop we used _n, because _n is used for new line. When completing each row, cursor will move to the next line. So when you compile this program, there is some error. Means in outer loop we used double semicolon after I equals to 5 initialization. So we remove one semicolon, and after this we compile, there is no error, and it is successfully compiled. And when you run this program, the accurate output is shown as below. So like, share, and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime, and have a good day, and be positive, and move ahead, more shining shine day by day. Thank you.
I know one.